What if I told you the business you start in your 20s could determine whether you retire rich or stay stuck in the 9-to-5 loop forever? You don't need money, you don't need connections, you just need the right strategy. And today we're breaking it down from $0 startups to scalable side hustles with insane ROI. This is your ultimate roadmap to starting the perfect business in your 20s. Stick till the end, because the last business idea has a twist almost no one talks about, and it could make you $10,000 a month with just your laptop. Ready to escape average. Let's dive in. Welcome to FinSpot Pro, where we decode financial success like the pros. Whether you're a college student, fresh graduate, or just stuck in a job that feels like a trap, this episode is for you. We're not just throwing random business ideas. We're giving you proven high ROI models, what works in 2025, how to start with low to zero investment, and real-world steps you can take today. And remember, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. The harsh truth about your 20s aren't just about figuring life out. They're the most important decade to take risks. Here's why. You have time to fail and recover. You likely have fewer financial responsibilities. You can move fast without permission, but most people waste this time scrolling, doubting, and waiting for the right moment. Let's make your 20s your launchpad. 1. Digital product creator. Why it works. No physical inventory, 90% plus profit margin, scalable globally. Examples. Online courses, productivity, design, coding, ebooks, Notion templates, financial planners. But how do you sell without being salesy? We'll get there. 2. Service-based solopreneur. Don't ignore freelancing. This isn't Fiverr hustle, it's premium positioning. Skills in demand. Copywriting, video editing, AI automation setup, sales funnel creation. Pro tip, package your service as a monthly retainer. One client equals $2,000 per month. What skill can you offer right now? 3. Content business. The creator economy isn't slowing down. You don't have to be on camera. Think. Faceless YouTube like this one. Instagram carousels. AI-generated storytelling with monetized channels. How it works. Content builds audience. Audience creates trust. Trust becomes income. You own attention. And that's the new oil. 4. Affiliate SEO blog. This is for long game players. Start a niche blog. Write high-quality SEO content. Monetize with affiliate links. Case study. Someone made $18,000 a month reviewing crypto wallets on a WordPress blog. Warning, it takes time. But traffic is compounding interest.